Hi, good morning, friends. I'm extremely sorry for all the challenge you have been facing. Now, hopefully, everything will work. In fact, during this period, the sell has actually got initiated for Nifty. Bank Nifty is still in the buy zone. If you see, Bank Nifty has done the first target and the second target, and it is trying to do the third target, and it is actually having a challenge, and that is a very important resistance zone. Let me see the high. First 15-minute high is, yeah, I think almost it did the third target also. Let me let me just see what actually was the third target. Third target was 106. It has done the third target also. If you see, the first three targets in Bank Nifty has been done. So let's now move on to Nifty itself. And Nifty, it was 18,612, right? Yeah, no. What was the open? What was the open? Open was 614. Yeah, 614 was the open. So if you see here, it has done this first target on the upside. Then it has done the first target here on the downside also. Now, as long it is actually staying below this, it should actually move on the downside only. I'm interested in the downside. As I said, I have already taken the trade also according to this. So Nifty has given the sell opportunity. Bank Nifty yet to give. Bank Nifty for it has to start coming down. As of now, it is still on the upside. So still, this is what is holding onto the market. Okay, let's see. Let me mark the levels for Nifty. For Nifty, 77 was the first target. Okay, this is done. The next target is 529. Sorry, 5. One second. Let me see what is the number. 529. Yeah. 529. Let me mark it here. This is what we are expecting in Nifty to happen. So let's see. I think for that, Bank Nifty needs to support. Bank Nifty currently is not supporting. Bank Nifty is trying to move higher. Let's see. It has actually done the third target. Now it is again trying to go up. Let's see if, okay, let's see what is happening in the order flow for the same. Okay, Nifty has got good amount of selling. Okay. And what about Bank Nifty? Okay, Bank Nifty has no big, what do you say, volumes on buy side. So I think whatever upside is there may get limited. Let's see. If it gets rejected here, Bank Nifty will also start supporting this move. So that will be a great one. Let's see. I have not marked the sell levels here because right now it is more on the buy side. So if you see here, it has done three targets on the upside. And currently it has to start getting rejected. See, the first signs will be it has to start coming below this. So the sell confirmation is only below the last one, what you are seeing here. It has to start trading below the day low. Then only the sell will have a momentum here. Okay. I think slowly it is having some challenge at the third target. See, third target is crucial. Third target is generally a place where it gets some kind of a reversals and all. So let's see. Now, since that Nifty has actually started trading below that gap, it is negative. Okay, this is a good place for it to take support. And if you see today's expiry also, since it's expiry, we don't expect anything bigger than that. It may actually get into a range bound later. Okay, so after this target, we need to be careful. See, if it breaks this, then there's a bigger target. But will it happen immediately? I don't think so, because it may get sideways, and maybe in the second half, if there is any still more selling, if global markets also gets into sell mode, I think there could be bigger selling. Other than that, I don't see. Let's see. Bank Nifty is still holding on, and Bank Nifty is still way above our sell right. See, if it has to come to the sell, it has to be below this. Here, selling can be done if you are actually taking a strict stop loss above the day high. Okay, so this is a place where you can do. I am more interested on the sell side on the Nifty part, because Nifty is already weak. Okay, Bank Nifty needs to become weak. So let it do. The Nifty is already below the 40 RSI also. So it has already become quite weak. So let's see. Nifty should be able to do the second target also. And second target is quite good. If you see, almost more than 100 plus points we would have made. So more than that, if it has to come, we need a good amount of volume of selling coming again. Okay, so it's not going to be that easy, and that to being an expiry day, we have to be very, very careful. But if it has to happen, it can happen. Now, Bank Nifty also needs to start coming down. That is the most important thing. Because if Bank Nifty adds on to the pressure, then Nifty can actually definitely crack much bigger. But will it do or not? Only time has to say. And let's look at what is happening with the rest of the things here. Let me just see. So for people who are actually new to my channel, subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and also try to share it with all your friends so that they all benefit from this. Okay, let me just check out what are the advanced declines and what are the other things which are happening here, so to get a fair idea about what is happening in the market. Bank Nifty is still quite strong. Somehow some challenge with my system today. This okay. Okay, advanced declines is quite negative. Let's look at the broader market. What is happening with the broader market here? What is the advanced decline? Broader market is still positive. Okay. So let's look at the option chain also to see where the bulls and bears are concentrated. And where is it? 27. Okay. Bears definitely have an upper hand today. Okay, 600 is also being taken very strongly. Okay, 500 is where they may defend. 500 is where they may defend. And we don't see anything at this point of time which is very strong here. So we may stay between 18,500 to 600 today. So if we have to look at sell side on the bounce back later, probably we can look at it. Okay, look at this. Nifty, Bank Nifty is not actually cracking. So this is what is not allowing the market. Okay, Bank Nifty is relatively very strong. Look at this. Okay. See, until unless we don't go below 44,000, it is going to be strong. So let's see how long they are going to hold on to this. See, below 44,000 only, we can look at shorting side for Bank Nifty. So currently, as per this, okay, if that breaks, I don't see much of a support side here. If that breaks, there could be a free flow on the downside also. And in that case, actually, Bank Nifty can crack this 18,500 also. So let's see how actually market will do. Currently, 18,500 is going to act as a strong support. So at least we will see some sideways movement there. And for Bank Nifty 44,000 is very crucial. Below 44,000 only, it is going to become weak. Till 44,000 holds, it is going to act very strong. So till these guys are going to give up from there, it's not going to crack. Okay, let me take any of your questions. Meanwhile, I'm sorry for this technical challenge you have faced today. If you see there, I had already marked the levels, everything was done, and things were doing great, and suddenly my system hanged. Okay, fine, no problem. So let's see. Okay, guys, I may actually stay here for another maximum 5 minutes, guys. And let me mark you the levels on the downside for, especially I'll mark for the Nifty. I've already marked. I am not seeing more than this at this point of time. If at all it cracks, Bank Nifty has to first crack. If Bank Nifty does not crack, we will probably be more or less in this range. Probably it may go down once, maybe around 1,500 points here, but overall it may stay in that range only. It may not do anything major thing here. It may continue to be in a very, very tight range. So that is what I can see here at this point of time. If at all it cracks, let me anyway mark you the levels. Let me mark the levels so that it will help you out. Well, let me. So if 529 breaks, then 485, 441. Okay, let me mark this. 485 is quite possible. 441 will be a great thing. Okay, let's see. 485. The next level is going to be 485. It will come somewhere here. Okay, this is the next level. This itself is quite huge. Okay, and I think below that is 441, right? Yeah, 441. So 441, in that range we have the 20 SMA also. I don't know till where it will go. I'm just marking the levels because today being an expiry day, if at all it happens, possibility is there. Last time also it had done something very similar after the Fed meet. Okay, but if it is not actually staying, if it is not actually making new lows, then actually exit from here, because today being an expiry day, again it may bounce back. All those things may happen. Okay, look at this. Bank Nifty has started moving beyond this 18,000, 44,100 and okay, it has moved beyond the third target. So let's see what it does. See, Bank Nifty is what is holding the market. Currently, if you see, Nifty is very weak. It's only because of the Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty cracks, then only market will come down. Otherwise, market may bounce back. So be careful. Just a minute. Let me see. Okay. The selling figure is good. The only thing is selling has to continue. If the continuity has to happen, selling needs to continue. Otherwise, actually, what happens is over a period of time, people may start actually booking their profits and on the short side, and then actually buying can come. So let's see. Okay, for Bank Nifty, let me mark you the levels anyway. Okay, Bank Nifty, these are the levels. If it starts coming below this 977 is the first target. Oh, sorry. 43,886, 43,827. Let me mark that. I'll mark 2-3 targets here. I'm not expecting any extraordinary thing to happen here. But anyway, let me mark 886. Okay, 886 probably is marked here. 1 second. Now here is 886. Okay. The next is 827. 827 will come somewhere here. Okay. Next is 43,771. 771. This could be the levels which are possible in Bank Nifty. More than this, probably it can go towards 43,500 if at all it goes. Okay. So currently, this is the Bank Nifty is still on the buy side only. If you see here, it has done the third target. It is still staying above the third target. See, it starts coming below 44,000, then only the sell will actually get initiated. The actual level is 43,931. That is where actually it will happen. See, if it stays here, for example, for the next 1 hour in this range, and it fails to make new highs, then possibility is very high that it will start reversing from here. Okay. So for Bank Nifty, if that starts reversing, if this breaks, then easily I think it will be towards the 771, then 716 is there. Okay. So these are the levels. You can please note these levels. Okay. So since I'm going to quit this, the live will be stopped. Then you can probably rewind and see the levels. I've already marked this. The same thing for the Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Okay. So my view is negative. I had told you very beginning itself. That is the reason on the buy side when it came also, I was not interested to take a trade. Now I've taken a trade in the Nifty part. That is my personal trade. So if you are, see, I'm not giving you any advice. I'm not, I am personally a trader. I am trading for my own profits. And if you are interested, you need to understand the risk and the reward. So you need to understand the stop loss. Stop loss is very clear. See, for the buy entry, this is our stop loss, which is 43,931. And for the sell side, once the position comes 43,946. If you see here, our risk is very minimal. Hardly 15-20 points is our risk. And if the reward starts coming, it will be starting from at least 30-40 points, which is around 1:2 is the risk versus reward from the trade one onwards. Okay, I had done some back testing. Since we have time, let me actually as well share you something. The back testing results have given fantastic results. I'll actually do a separate video on that and show you how the back testing has been done and how is the results for that, so that you can understand how powerful this is worked. Okay, so guys, I am going to close this live session right now, because I think it will take a lot of time, because until Bank Nifty is not going to come down, I don't see any fresh movement which is going to happen here. So it will take time. It will slowly happen. I don't see any fast movement. Whatever fast movement had to happen is already done. Okay. Now, whatever is going to happen is going to be a slow movement. And according to me, it is more likely to be on the negative side. And if the global markets are going to crack, especially the European markets and all starts cracking, then that will add on more fuel, especially in the second half. Currently, what we can see is 44,000 is where we see a highest open interest for the puts also, which means that the bulls are there. If they leave from there, then you have to understand that things may actually completely turn wild. And they see, for today they can always leave, because there's nothing left. Expiry is there, and on top of that, whatever news was there is already done. All the good news are already priced in, according to me. Okay. Okay, Nifty is actually started to calm down. If it starts coming below this, then actually the third target can actually get achieved. Sorry, the second target can get achieved. So here you have to be careful. Bounce back is quite possible, or else it will give a bounce back around these levels. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'll just see if you have any questions and I'll just answer that. If there's no questions, I think we will just move on. I would expect you to actually comment here, like, subscribe, share. Okay, Karthik has actually messaged something. Okay, Karthik is saying open price has taken on day level on, yeah, it has done the first target. See, the second target can happen if it starts breaking the day low. I think the second target is quite possible in Nifty. Now Bank Nifty is actually also going to crack here, according to me. And if Bank Nifty cracks, then actually it's going to add more fuel, and that will actually bring the market still further down. So Nifty is very weak. Bank Nifty is what is holding the market. Okay, that is what I can say, Karthik. Okay, guys, if you are making any profits, please share here. That will actually motivate me to do more live session, and please share it with all your friends. Let them all benefit. Come live, take best advantage of this live trades which I am doing here and giving you the levels. If any of you are interested in the calculators, there will be a link in the description. Go and click on that and actually get in touch with me. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye-bye.